There's little Hiccup, or I'm not real sure whether it's Hiccup or, oh, what is his name? Gulpy. Anyway, he's having a ball. I just let them go in the kitten room today. Oh, and there's another one. There's the other long-haired. They're medium hair. They're two little black kittens, and they're going to be medium hair, and they're female. And they're going to be up for adoption. They're about 2 months old now. And give them another 3-4 weeks before they're ready to go. We have Velcro Velvet is the short-haired one, and then the two medium-haired are Hiccup and, gosh, Gulpy. I don't know. Starts with a G. I get lost on names. Sorry about that.